Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust door height. First, identify which part of the door is causing the issue. Does it rub against the floor, or is it catching on the top of the frame? Understanding the problem area will guide your adjustment. This simple fix can prevent further damage and ensure your door operates smoothly for years to come. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools on hand. You'll need a sturdy screwdriver, preferably a Phillips head, to work with the hinge screws. A small pry bar can be useful for gently lifting the door, and a few thin shims like cardboard or plastic are crucial for precise adjustments. A level will help you check your work. The primary method for adjusting door height involves the hinges. Start by tightening all existing hinge screws to ensure they are snug. If the door still sags, you'll need to add shims. Carefully remove one screw from a hinge, insert a thin shim behind the hinge plate, and then reinsert and tighten the screw. Repeat this process for other hinges as needed, focusing on the top hinge to lift the door. Once you've made your adjustments, it's time to test the door. Open and close it several times, listening and feeling for any resistance or rubbing. The goal is to have a consistent, small gap around the entire door frame. If it's still not perfect, make small, incremental adjustments to the shims until the door swings freely and smoothly. Finally, ensure all hinge screws are securely tightened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.